channel. Today we are making slime without instructions. So here we have my roommate Daniella, who I mentioned so many times in the really show. We have Anika, you know her.
What's up?
Okay, so we went to Target. Not planned, by the way. We went to Target. We got bowls. We got spoons. That worked out. We got not one, not two, but 3 bottles of glue. Can you not take stuff out yet? We got 3 bottles of glue. And we also got, we have cornstarch. By the way, we're not sponsored because it's low small. And we got 3 bottles of shampoo as well as food coloring. Cause we're bougie. And then we got food coloring. So I'm gonna try to read instructions real quick. Actually, no. Screw it. Free for all.
Oh, great.
So we will judge each other. That's gonna end very badly. Okay, so we'll figure out a way to judge who has the best slime. So everyone grab 1 glue, 1 shampoo, and I'm gonna go put the time lapse on. Yeah. I'm gonna pass out a spoon and a cup. Or pass out several spoons to each person.
Yeah.
Well done.
So we failed miserably.
We done goofed. I'm trying to record. So this is Anika's. Yeah. Mine.
I think mine was the closest. Yeah, I second that.
No, I think this has a lot of glue.
Oh, hold up.
Wait, what?
I mean, it's kind of right.
For me, out of my 4. Okay, we will have to watch a slime video so you know. That's not how slime works.
Yeah, I know.
Ice cream, you idiot.
Ew, look at this. It's all bubbly.
Okay, that looks gross, but look at this one.
The gold one? Yeah. Is that all the colors?
Yeah, I mixed. No, I emptied them out.
Except purple?
Yeah, because one's already purple. And then, yeah. This one for me is the closest right here.
Same.
That's a Tide Pod. So yeah, we done goofed, and you know, not every Anika, I thought you gave up.
I did.
Okay. Well, not every YouTube video has to be a success. My channel sure isn't. That was so insane for both of you guys laugh. It sounded scripted, but it's not.
It's that close. Yeah.
Anyway,
I made it worse.
No, I'm not touching. You or Daniel's fine. You on the other hand. You just keep making it worse.
Mine's a pretty purple.
You literally guys are not even firm anymore. Anyway, that's it for this week's video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, I'm trying not to touch Daniella that much because my hands are covered. Yeah. That's it for this video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, if you want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Saturday. If you want to hear more from me, go ahead and follow me on all my social media accounts. Daniella, do you want your social media done?
Yes.
Oh, you do it. I know why.
And she opens her mouth.
She doesn't have social media, so you're just gonna have to see her here.
So if you want more of me here, let her know.
No. Anyway, bye. You can get out of the room.
No.
I don't need you. Bye. Oh, jeez. The man's gonna get slammed you into the wall. Okay, you do it yourself. Come here. Come here. So everything's falling apart. Danielle and I have to stay for finals, and we're really procrastinating. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you want to see more of me, subscribe to my channel. Maybe more of Anika. Probably not.
Yeah, probably not.
At this rate. Daniella, probably not too. Who knows? We'll figure it out. If you have any suggestions of stuff we can do without, you know, recipes or guidelines, let us know as long as we don't have to burn down something.
Yeah. Although we would be down to do that.
Okay. I'll see you all next week with a new video, but until then,